Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Second Brain AI application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Android Google Play Store on your device. And once it is opened up, tap on the search box and simply type in Second Brain and start your search. Once you find the Second Brain application, go ahead and tap on the install button. And this will begin the download and installation of the Second Brain AI application on your Android device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can go ahead and tap on it to open up the Second Brain AI application. And now you can continue with setting up your account to start using Second Brain on your smartphone right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Second Brain AI application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.